I'm sorry, guys, but I'll just watch some videos. And I'm gonna make a Play-Doh humongous ball. $9 Play-Doh. I have this video is gonna end sooner or later. Let's keep doing this, guys. You see this ball, guys? This ball is going to be a fun factory ball. And whoever touches it first wins. If that Hulk or Iron Man that doesn't have face and I lost his face. And I don't know where his face is right now, but that's the Play-Doh that I ripped. I had to get it from my room when this video wasn't there yet. This video almost came out, but today it did. And there's gonna be a show day there. Sorry, I'll make everything with this video. So yeah, this is going to be a movie. Everything. This is going to be a Play-Doh fun factory. So yeah. And if you guys want to see my next video, it's just online. And it's always online and I'm not playing here. So now I'm going to end here. And just take that. Launch. Then you put in this a ball. Then you squish it all up. My hands, then ta